Okay, good evening, Yuvraj. And
Good evening.
yeah, I'm extremely proud of you that you become a certified coder. So we would like to know something from you. From where did you learn the coding?
Um, I learned coding from White Hat Junior.
Okay, from White Hat Junior. So which course you have opted for?
I have opted for 17 weeks course.
Okay, 17 weeks course. So what have they taught you during the course?
Can you repeat the question?
What have they taught you during the course? Like which language they have taught you during the course?
JavaScript.
Only JavaScript?
Yes.
Okay. So, okay, so people say that learning coding is as easy as 1, 2, 3. So, what is your take on that? Do you feel that learning is as easy as learning 1, 2, 3?
Yes, it is as easy as learning 1 to 3. But some points we need a teacher to learn it.
Okay. So, is it true that you can learn at the age of 6?
Yes, one can learn coding if you are 5 or 6.
5 or 6? Because my daughter is 5 years old. So, can she learn coding at the age of 5?
Yes, you can learn.
She can learn. Okay, so so what are some of the trends in terms of age group that are learning to code?
The trending age of learning coding is 5 to 10 years.
5 to 10 years. Okay, and how can
Yes.
you say that?
Can you repeat?
How can you say that the learning trend is from 5 to 10 years?
Uh, it is because I saw it on where I learned coding.
Okay. Okay. Now that you have learned coding, how do you use it in your day-to-day life?
Today we cannot imagine the world without computers. So after learning coding, I have started understanding computers in a better way.
Okay.
I am the go-to person in the family for computer-related problems. I
Wow.
even solved my nanny's computer-related issues, but taking control on her computer from my home.
Wow, that's wonderful. That's amazing. Very nice. Really, really proud of you. Okay. So, and do you do coding now also?
Can you repeat the question?
So, do you do coding every day?
No, not every day. When there are exams, I don't do the coding.
Okay. So, which is the game that you have created? Can you share something about it with us?
I have to share the game which I have created.
Yes, yes. If it is possible.
Yes, I'm opening it.
So, can we like download this game if it's there on the Play Store?
Oh, my Play Store game is coming soon.
Okay.
I'm not allowed to share it. And I'm not allowed to share it.
Okay. So, tell me, what is this game about?
Uh, it is about eagle passing through buildings.
Come again?
Uh, an eagle would be passing some between some buildings.
Okay, so eagle would be passing some building. So,
Yes.
then what is going to happen?
Then if it crashes, then the game would be over.
Okay. So, if there is somebody who is going to hit the eagle in your game,
No.
so how is the eagle going to? Acha, so there are buildings. Okay, buildings are like the obstacles.
Yes.
Okay. So why have you thought of this game?
Um, because I can make it easily.
That's nice. That's very honest.
Can I share the games which I have made previously?
Yeah, but I think I have to do some adjustments. Yes, I think now you can share it.
This is first game. This is a car racing game.
Wow.
And this is a simple Angry Bird game.
So how many games you have made?
I've made 5 games.
Wow.
And this is another game.
Very nice. Okay, I would like to see that eagle game. Have you named that game?
I have not made that game.
Okay, so it's in the process.
Can you repeat?
It's in the process, like you're going to make it. It's in the process.
I'm making that game.
Okay, okay. So this is some other game?
Yes, these all are some other games.
Okay. So does it has levels? These games have got levels?
No.
Okay. Okay. So, okay, so it was nice talking to you. Thank you for giving your time to us. I just one last question I would like to ask you. That what are the problems that you faced while coding? Is there any particular problem that you faced and you have overcome it? Maybe with the help of your teachers or parents?
No.
No problem.
Not such a problem.
Are you sure you have not faced any problem?
Yes, I have faced a few problems, very little.
Okay, what are they?
I didn't remember 2 lines of code.
Okay. So what are your future plans?
I don't know that.
No, I mean like you're going to learn some other language after JavaScript?
Yes, I'm thinking of learning.
Okay, so I would also like to know, I'm sorry, I'm going to take a little bit of your time. I would also like to know that since you have created game, so is animation required for the game?
Yes, some games required animation.
So have you created any animated image?
No, I have not created yet.
Okay. Because I could not see any animated image in your game. So, okay, thank you so much. Thank you for giving your time. It was nice talking to you. And I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Thank you.